So I decided to add built-in shelves in this space. I purchased two IKEA Billy bookcases and selected them based on the amount of space I had to work with, which was approximately 45 inches. The bookcases are 15 by 3/4 inches wide, 11 inches deep, and 79.5 inches tall. And after putting them together, I added 2x3s on both ends and in the middle using 4-inch self-tapping screws. Then I attached the shelves to the studs by using a safety bracket and screws. This just keeps the shelf in place and keeps it from moving around. I used the MDF board and ripped it at 11 inches wide and cut the height to flush with the ceiling for the side panel. I also cut out a notch at the bottom of the MDF board to account for the baseboard because I didn't want to remove the baseboards. I attached the board to the shelf with my brad nailer, which you will see shortly. And so now I'm creating two boxes to fill the gap between the shelves and the ceiling and attaching the boxes to the shelves with screws. Now I'm going back through with my brad nailer to make sure that the side panel is in place and attached. Here's what it looks like prior to the framing process. So now I'm using my jigsaw to cut out the frame for the top of the shelves, and I ripped 4-inch MDF strips to frame out the front of the shelves and attach them with my brad nailer. From there, I filled the shelf holes with joint compound and used caulk around the edges and wherever it was needed, just to give it a more professional finish. One thing that I learned about the IKEA shelves is that it has some sort of finish on them, and you have to sand them prior to painting. Otherwise, the paint will actually come off. And here is the finished product, and I just really loved how it turned out. So let me know if you guys have any other questions, and thank you for watching.